Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I decided, finally got some time to get ready to set the motor down in the truck. This will be part 5 of the LS S10 swap. When I finally got it ready to set down in the truck, as you can see in the background, I got it on the motor stand and I got it ready to set down in there, and we're getting ready to set it down in there and see what I got. See what I got to modify and what I got to do and what I got to move and put here and put there. Got the tool converter in it. This is just a pre-fit. I'm probably going to end up having to pull it back out, but because I know I'm gonna have to change them mounts there and put some inserts in. But this is pretty much just a pre-fit. This will be the first pre-fit on it that I put it in there, just to make sure that it's gonna work. But yeah guys, I'm getting ready to see what we got. But y'all watch as we start putting it in. As you can see, that you're going to have that oil pan right there. Put one in the S10 because it's got to clear the frame. It's got to clear the frame. So, a lot of work into setting up one of these guys. You got to it takes time. Once you get it in there, you pretty much got it. Trying to let that engine stand down kind of slow as I look to see where everything needs to go. You can see I got the balance on it already. But once it gets down so low in the truck, I can turn it and straighten it up. Straight running in it. No wires is clear. And I already got the transmission in it. See what came on there. Here's what I want to show y'all guys on the oil pan. See how it's just is going to clear the frame right there. Yeah, this will clear the frame, so that's why you gotta have this GMLS swap wool pin, or it won't work. Coming down slow, y'all. It's gonna be close though. See where my firewall is here and the head. So it's gonna be close. Come on back some more motor. Just about down in there, guys. See right here, guys, how close it's going to be right here. And I want to leave my heater box in this truck. I don't want it took out. That's the way I want it set up, so that this is going to be a true street truck. Everything's going to be left on it. Gas tank's even going to be left on this truck, so I can drive it and race it. But yet it's going to be fast. What I'm going to do is, that's about where it's going to sit, guys. Like I said, I'm pre-fitted in there tonight. Like, try to make sure the motor's straight like that right there. Now don't get me wrong, my mounts and stuff's not on it yet, but you can see it's right there on the heater box, and I may just end up coming back maybe an eighth of an inch or something. But the biggest thing is I want to make sure that my valve covers is going to go on there. So we're going to make sure that my valve covers is going to go on there right quick. With the coils on. This is the passenger side, because you got your gooseneck, your filler neck. And what you want to do is them right there like that right there. Get maybe one bolt started. And see that's your Velcro on that side with the coils, as you can see. Okay, let's see if the driver's side's gonna work now. And this here's your driver's side, guys. Let me get some lights so you can see. See, this is your driver's side. And I've got plenty of clearance there. Now don't get me wrong, it's close. It's close on the it's close on the masses, on the brake booster. Right there you go. Put your one bolt in it. Just like that right there. And if you look, I got the motor pretty much straight in it. You may want to pull it around this way some. Take and twist it. Like I said, I'm just pre-fit. I got the motor to my transmission. But my motor mounts is on. These are the motor mounts, guys, I'm using. These are actually the old type that fits to the small like Chevrolet. These will work too. On the LS swap, and I'm gonna use them on this motor here, but they come off the SBC, the small block Chevrolet that was in here. So these are the mounts I'm gonna use, and the way they go is they go like that, and then that side will go like that on there. So you got a left and a right, but yeah, that's the mounts I'm gonna use and put on it. Well, there y'all see it, guys. I got it down in there and got it pre-fitted. Like I said, I'm gonna have to get the motor mounts on it, and as you can see, I got to pull my transmission forward some more. So I'm probably gonna end up having the drive shaft made. But the biggest thing is I got it sitting down in there, and the heater box and all that's in it. Some guys set them up, man, and they take the heater boxes out of them so they have room. And this truck here, they take the inner fenders out of them. This truck here is gonna have the inner fenders still in it. The heater's gonna work on this truck so I can drive it. But yeah, the biggest thing is I got it down in there. And I was looking, it's gonna be close to the radiator, but I believe I'm gonna be okay on it. It's just gonna be a tight fit on the radiator and the water pump and stuff. But I'll keep y'all updated as I go along with it. We just wanted to make a quick video tonight, guys, of me setting the motor down in it. I got it set down in the truck. Got to do some more pre-adjustments, but I'll keep y'all tuned in. And thanks, guys, for watching my videos, hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next upload. Thanks.